God. Bigger, way bigger balls than you.
What'd you look at that?
I don't know what I just saw. Alright, so here's a better perspective of what DeWoody looks like. Just to give you guys an idea, as I'm standing right now, right about there is my height. And from that rock to that rock is about another of me. Oh my gosh. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and take running bids now. Who thinks Kevin can make it up to Woody? My vote is no. But again, this Jeep has proven me wrong multiple times, so we'll see. Maybe he will, maybe he won't.
Am I good right here? Good.
Yeah.
Maybe? Holy shit.
Kevin's got his camera out so you can see what the picture roll is. Oh. I don't know, Kev. I don't know. A little more left. Now right, now right. Right. Passenger. There you go. All right. Oh. I don't know what that was. Oh, that's going to be a frightening bump. What we got skids for. Yeah! Alright. Stalled on you. It's good. Kevin, you're going to turn a little driver, I think. Oh, God. Yeah. Maybe. Try straightening out a little, Kev. Oh, no. Are you turtled? You might be turtled a little bit. Right there. Don't go any further than that. We got to get you climbing somewhere. There you go.
Climb, baby, climb.
There you go. There you go. Cut passing. Oh, you're going to fall off. There you go. Now cut a little passenger. Actually, I can't see very well. Ask Steven for his advice on that side. I can't see. Passenger just a little bit, Kev. A little bit more. Right there. Perfect. All right, keep going. A little passenger, Kev.
Hard driver forward.
All right.
Now stay
Oh, God. Go easy, Kev. Hold on. Oh.
Stay hard driver forward.
I need to get a good angle.
Keep going. Hard driver forward.
There you go. You're good, Kev. This is going to be interesting. Oh, God.
Feel it. Follow it. Your rear passenger's about to go up.
Oh, God.
And it's going to feel nasty.
Oh, God.
Keep going, buddy.
Oh, God. Oh, my God. Just go real slow, Kev. Real slow. Your passenger rear's starting to climb. Oh, God. There you go. Just go slow. No, a little more passenger, Kev. You're on your rear dip skid. There you go. Oh my God. Oh, you're back down. Now bump it a little harder, a little faster. There you go. Driver. Woo! Yes! Hard passenger, Kev. Hard passenger. Oh my God. No.
Hell yeah.
Fucking way. Oh my goodness. That was fully freaking retarded. I cannot believe he just did that.
There you go. Hard driver. I can go up this shit. There you go. Come on. Passenger.
Yes. Good job. That was good.
I can't believe it made it up that. That is insane.
We walked up it?
It walked up it. Oh. So I officially take back what I said.
Ah.
I eat my words. Once again,
Eat crow.
our JL has completely proven me wrong, and it walked up DeWoody like it was friggin' nothing. That's
It was super good.
absolutely insane. It was also terrifying. I don't think you realized just how close you were to tipping over.
I realized I was watching.
Kevin's like, it felt fine inside the Jeep. I was like, let me
No,
show you the photos from outside the Jeep.
I was watching the gauge here. So.
You were so tippy that it was like, honestly, like just someone blew on the driver's side and you'd be like, boop. So next up is the rock garden, which I know, but Kevin and I have actually opted out of. We're gonna enjoy ourselves watching other people destroy their rigs for once and enjoy it as much as we can. Inside of the wheels bent. What'd he say?
He dented her light bar.
Have you figured out yet why we're not doing this in our JL? Keep in mind, we have to drive this all the way back home to Colorado. Oh, that's not bad. I would just like to point out that his passenger is trying to take a video of this.
What the just happened?
Oh my God! Bigger, way bigger balls than you.
What'd you look at that?
I don't know what I just saw.
It's like the speed bump. It don't feel near as bad.
Christ, that's insane.
That's a tree. What the hell?
Makes it all the way across the rock garden.
Oh, he like literally smashed his fenders.
I have no words for what I'm watching right now. I'm going to be totally honest. These people are crazier than we are. Oh God!
It's a little rough. The fresh paint.
The fresh paint.
paint.
Oh, yeah.
Complete junk. Time to scrap.
That's why I brought it.
And next up, for your viewing pleasure, Kevin is going to drag race our good friend Stephen Featherly, who drives a 2010 JK that has a RIP supercharger on it.
Why not?
We're going to do a 4-high dirt drag race. I don't even know what we are comparatively in power. We're about to find out. Okay, I'll just count. I'll say 3, 2, 1, go. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1, go!
I told you this thing moved.
Holy
That's awesome.
crap.
This thing fucking moved, doesn't it? That's crazy, right?
And I'm on 40s.
Well, yeah, he is on
That's
40s
true.
and beadlocks.
He is on 40s with beadlocks as well.
That makes a difference.
It does
But
make a
that's how I told you this JL was no joke.
Yeah, no, it goes.
awesome.
It's awesome. Good run. And on that mind-blowing note, thank you to everyone who came and said hi to us or wheeled with us this past weekend at the Big Paw Crawl event, which helped to support the American Cancer Society. Stop it. But as you can see, we are fully loaded up now and heading all the way back home to good old Colorado, where we will be spending only one night before making the hop, skip, and jump over to Huracan, Utah for the Trail Hero event. As always though, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share as well. And of course, don't forget to hit that little bell notification. That way you guys are alerted every time we post another video, because you know we love you and we want you to stay as up to date as possible with our awesome, crazy, ridiculous adventures. We love you guys, and until next time,
Peace. Later, guys.
$1,472.
So can I put it on a credit card?
We are not supposed to ask your credit or debit card number. You just need to verify the amount so that I can go ahead and cancel the arrest warrant, and I'll fix the officer from the Treasury Department regarding the debt collector officer will be turning up at your place. And what I got to pinpoint is, we got a pinpoint on you that is, let me say that, okay? We got a pinpoint on these addresses.
I mean, you could try and catch me. I'm pretty fast. I run pretty fast.
You're not serious, right? Just hang up the line and stay out in the courthouse, okay? This recording will serve in front of jury members as a proof of evidence that you are trying to run away from the situation.
I'm just wondering, can you remove the balls out of your mouth before you continue talking to me?
Excuse me? Hey, listen. We are on recorded line, okay? I hope you know whom you are speaking to. I got a pinpoint on you. You don't need to lie, okay? You can. I told you you may deny this fact, but you can never run from the situation, okay?
I'm really fast. I run track in high school. That was like 18 years ago. I was really fast in track.
Like how many girls you run up to?
How many girls I run to?
What I mean to say is that you run so quick, right? You told me that, right?
Yes, I'm very fast.
During your high school time, you run after so many girls. I hope your wife sitting next to you, right?
She is sitting next to me.
I don't mean you go misunderstanding, but you're not a good person. You are just a whore, I mean.
He called me a whore.
You wasted way too much time on that.